Hola guys, what's up? It's me, Tommy L, and today I'm going to be doing an every plate unboxing. So a couple weeks ago I had the bright idea to order a meal prep plan or service, and there's a couple of different options. There's like obviously the ones that you have to cook yourself, and there's also the ones that are pre-made. And I decided to go with every plate. I saw a couple of reviews about it and I was really intrigued. Also, it's super affordable. At least the first box is super affordable. I believe with the promo code it came out to be about $30. So I ordered a total of 5 meals, but for 2 people, so 2 servings, so a total of 10 different meals. So without further ado, let me get into the unboxing. Okay, so when you first open it, you see these cards. They're pretty big, and they're just recipe cards, so you guys can see what I ordered. So I ordered 5 different meals, like I said previously, so you guys can see these are really nice cards. I'm going to definitely save these. So I ordered the black bean stew. I also ordered the chorizo potato and pepper hash. I also ordered the sweet and smoky barbecue pork meatloaves. I also ordered the griddled onion burgers, and lastly I also ordered the, what is this, the cheesy steak caramelized onions, I don't know, sandwich. And then this just says, welcome to every plate, a meal kit that delivers delicious food, etc, etc, etc. Basically this card is saying the following: their prices are pretty cheap, and I do feel like they're pretty like affordable. Custom meals, their recipes take 30 minutes or less usually, and then you can get a premium dinner for just $3.99. And you can definitely skip a meal if you don't want to continue going on. So I'm gonna open this up, and it's packed, bro. It's packed. And it is in an insulated box. So this is just ground cumin, chili powder, smoked paprika, mayo. What is this? I don't even know what this is. Sweet spice, I don't know. Barbecue seasoning, beef, Dijon, vegetable, I don't know what that is, like vegetable oil? It might be vegetable oil, I'm not too sure. Yeah, and all this stuff is still cold, definitely. So sour cream, little packets. What is this? This is just tomato paste. And then lastly, this is Tex-Mex paste. Next up, ooh, that smells so good. That seasoning smells good. Is just 1 slice of bread, 2 buns, and now some beans. Ooh, this is a really big bell pepper. I like this. Really nice. Tomato, red pepper cream, I don't know, some chives, or I don't know, some onion, I guess, some cheese, some more bread, yeah, I don't know, poblano, this might be poblano, some potatoes, and it says HelloFresh. I believe HelloFresh is their parent company. More potatoes, more potatoes, I think these are sweet potatoes. So 3 sweet potatoes, some cheese, a cucumber, I believe, also a couple of onions as well, another onion, 2 things of garlic, pepper, the red pepper cream. What is this? The cherry jam, probably for the meatloaf. I hope you guys can really see in here. I think I'm gonna raise you guys a little bit higher. Okay, so I moved you guys a little bit higher, and I'm gonna go down. Oh, it's cold. It's real cold. It's kind of wet actually. Now there is a block, and this is actually frozen. I've seen some people's and they're not frozen. This is definitely frozen. I don't know if their headquarters is in my state or what, but this is a frozen ice pack. And then down here is just the meat. Right here is the chorizo. Just 2 little chorizos. Also, right here is, I don't know what this is. The tag is kind of cut off, so I'm not too sure what this is, but I'm guessing this is some kind of beef or pork or something. I don't know. This is diced steak, beef steak. And then this right here is ground pork. And then another ice pack, and this is actually, again, once again, frozen. I don't know how other people's came liquid, but this is frozen. So I'm gonna decide what I want to eat today, and I'm gonna come back with the test taste after I've done cooking it, and I'll give you guys my verdict. Alrighty guys, so we are done making the griddled onion burgers, and we did add some bacon to ours, but this is what it looks like. I think it's a good portion, but let me see. I'm gonna taste it in just a second. So this is the food. And the burger. Let's taste. It's pretty good. I felt pretty full with these burgers. They were pretty nice. I did not like the meatloaf very much. The soup was really good to stew. The hash was one of my favorites. And then the sandos, like the sandwiches, were really good as well. All in all, I was very satisfied with my meal subscription with EveryPlate. I think an important thing to keep in mind is that certain weeks are pretty like specific. So this particular week, it was a lot of potatoes. The next week, I'm currently on my 3rd week with EveryPlate, but the 2nd week, I believe it was very rice heavy. So if you just don't like certain things, I guess you can skip the whole week, which is great, and you don't get penalized or anything. Alright guys, so that is the end of my review of my first ever box with EveryPlate. Once again, I think it's worth you giving a try, at least when it is at the discounted price. I will leave my referral link down below. I don't get any money or anything. I just believe like you get some money off your next box, and then I get some money off my next box. I think it's like $20, but I'll leave that down below. But until next time guys, adios.